I'm in shock. I just want to keep taking them off and putting them back on. What kind of sorcery? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonia, and in today's video, I'm going to be sharing this new product from Kiss. This video is not sponsored. Okay. And I purchased this from CVS with my own money, girl. It works. Now before we get into this video, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to my channel if you have not already joined my family, and let's get started. Now I found these with other styles, but this is the one that I chose at CVS recently, and I thought, why not? I'm gonna give it a try. I've seen so many other brands, and I think I've reviewed a brand in the past. I don't think it was Kiss though, because these look new. It comes with the magnetic eyeliner and a set of lashes. This is in the style Charm, similar to the wispy lashes that I'm constantly wearing from every brand out on the market. And if we take a closer look, you can see the magnets on the lashes. Now let's check out the eyeliner. And this is in black. I'm not sure if it comes in brown, but black is typically what I use anyhow, so it's a brush tip. I'm gonna curl my eyelashes first, because if I do this after, I'm gonna mess up the line that I'm creating. I need to hold the mirror pretty close because your girl's blind, okay? So I like to start in the inner corners of my eyes. Ooh. The color's really nice. I'm gonna start with a thin line, and if we need to, I'll thicken it up a bit. Okay, that applied just fine. Oh! Now that I have to connect the dots, that's gonna make me have a thicker line over here. Now here comes that hard task of having to make sure your eyeliner is like symmetrical, and then when you start to correct, your eyeliner gets thicker and thicker and thicker and thicker, so I'm trying not to go crazy. So if you're not good at eyeliner, good luck. Okay, so before we move forward, my first impressions about the eyeliner is that I wish that it was more like a felt tip marker style eyeliner, because it's more user friendly, in my opinion anyways, because it's a little soft and kind of flimsy, and I can see that going real south really quickly. I would definitely not do it for the first time ever in your whole life, hours before you're getting ready for your wedding. I almost always have to trim my eyelashes because they kind of poke me right in the inner corner here, or sometimes they'll poke me out here if they're too long. And if you are going to trim them, I would trim the outside guys before I trim the inside guys, if that makes any sense. But the location of the magnets are right on the beginning and the end of this strip. So if you cut it off, I'm worried that the support in between the two magnets is going to be like flapping in the wind. I'm just gonna pop it on my eye and hope for the best. I know I'm not the only one that's like, you better get on there. Oh God, oh God. Is it sticking? Ooh. Oh my, it actually worked. Okay then. And I didn't have to cut them down. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. Okay, hold on. So readjust that. Oh my gosh, and it didn't even mess up my eyeliner too much. I guess I should have waited a little longer for them to dry. But look at that, I even adjusted it a bit and it went just fine. Oh my gosh. And then when you take them off, they don't mess with your eyelashes. Okay. Did you guys see that? Did you see how easy that was? No way. I'm in shock. I just want to keep taking them off and putting them back on. Wow. I just did that 3 times and nothing happened to my eyeliner. Mind blown. Honestly, I wonder how many times I can wear these eyelashes before they get jacked up. Like, I feel like I can wear these forever, and it feels good. It feels lightweight. It doesn't feel like they're on there. And you know what that is? It's actually the weight of the glue. In my hand, you can't even feel the magnet, so I was expecting it to be like, ah, but it didn't do that. See? Same effect. Boom, 2 seconds and they're on my eyes. This is genius. Hold on, let me put my eyelashes on real quick. Boom, 1. Boom. Uh-oh, hold on, actually. Take that boom back. And then if you're like, oh God, start crying, oink, oink. I need to FaceTime somebody and show them what's up. Who am I gonna call? Who am I gonna call? Come on, come on.
Hi.
Hey, where's Carly? She looks like she's in the jungle, but she's not in the jungle. She's in Azusa, it's fine.
I'm now in the jungle. Her teeth are out too.
Oh, Lord have mercy. Okay, so look, check this out. I have magnetic eyeliner on, okay?
Oh, I heard about this, yeah.
Ta-da!
Love it.
Right? Yeah.
Do they have more dramatical ones than that?
They do have more dramatical ones. I'm like kicking myself for not buying more than just this one.
That's funny. Dee's friend Roseanne was raving about those the other day.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
They're the bomb, girl.
Whatever. Looking like Kim Kardashian over there.
Kardashian, it's fine.
Or like Courtney a little bit.
Why, because I'm older? Oh, thanks. And that's it for this video. I'm absolutely obsessed. Let me know in the comments down below if you've tried them, what your thoughts and opinions are. And also, I'll try to dig up a link and put that in the description box down below as well. But until next time, I hope you guys stay safe and I'll see you soon.